Okay, guys, so where we at?
We are outside of Instant Video Game.
We came to the outlet, so look what we saw.
Look what we found.
Look what we saw.
Square, heart.
Well, let's go see if they actually have them
and
inside.
shapes. Yeah, let's go.
Happy man, happy man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Ah!
You guys, what is this?
Those are so cute.
This is a Hello Kitty. And then they have, look, these, we actually might have these in our shop.
Really?
These are strawberries. Yeah, we might have these in our shop. And then they have like unicorn. I don't know what this is.
Wait, but I see that they have more. Those are so cute.
Oh my god, this one's so cute. I seen. Oh my god.
We should get one.
You guys, these are so. I want that blue Among Us
That's so cute.
for like my bed. But look, we have these. These are in our shop.
Oh my god, look at
These
this
are in
one.
our shop. These are in our shop. Do they have an M?
You should buy the M.
Oh no, that's an N.
M's? Where are the M's?
M.
Where's the F?
Wait, this is W.
Is that an F?
M.
Okay, but what about the F? There's no F.
M.
Oh, the F. Okay, I'm gonna buy this one.
Cute. Is there
What
any
M?
other cool? M. I like that. Which one's better? These, right? So they can match.
Yeah. So those two.
Okay. Do they have an N sign? Do they have an N sign?
Uh-huh.
For N now?
Oh,
There
and
are
these
no
little
N signs.
bananas.
Oh my
These are
god.
cute.
Pineapple, we got to.
Look at, they have a TikTok bag, Mal.
What are these? I don't
Who
know what
knows?
these are. Look, a little purse, like, not purses, but like purse style puppet.
We should get this one.
What is this? Oh, like a hanger?
What is this, honey? Oh, has so many fidgets, guys. Look, these are so cute. They have so many colors. These are so cute. And the strawberries, which they have different colors. Ones. That's a unicorn.
There's one by one.
And then that's Hello Kitty.
Look,
What?
your favorite color.
Gray?
And me.
Oh, so cute. Okay guys, so we left the fidget store. Yeah, and Mao got a case for his phone, which we're gonna show you guys in a little bit.
Okay guys, next toy store is Pure Natura. So let's go ahead and see. Oh my god. I already see so many puppets right away. Oh my god. Look! It's Godzilla, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at this one. Angry Birds. Oh, the dog. And then they have Among Us, you know, kind of basic. You're lying. We need one. You guys. And then they have keyboard, more Angry Birds. These are new with like the googly eyes. Can you show it for?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Can you hold this? I want to show them something.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, isn't it so cute?
Yeah. That's such cute bag.
Yeah.
The googly eyes.
Googly eyes. I'll ask for that.
Nothing tubes.
DNAs.
Oh, you want some?
Yes. They haven't opened one. Should we get one?
Yes.
So, these are light up DNA.
No.
And then I have wacky tracks, which we already have wacky tracks, so no need of wacky tracks. They have
Me too.
some regular glitter mesh stress balls.
So you're getting that one, right?
Look, it's a game board Among Us.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, look at these fidget board games. Are so cool. Oh my god, is that?
Yeah, this is Elsa from Frozen, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, they have Pikachu right here. You guys, we just found a fidget store.
Let's go see
what we find. You guys, look at all of these poppets that they have. Look at this googly eye poppet. I literally love it. And then they also have some Angry Birds poppets. Oh my god, look at this one. Look at the dog poppet. And then they have more Angry Birds keyboard poppet. They have basketball. You guys, look at this poppet purse that they have. It's so cute. They have some wacky tracks as well as some fidget spinners and pop tubes. And you guys, they have DNA stress balls. Oh my god. And they also have some glitter mesh stress balls. Yeah, this is Elsa from Frozen, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, they have Pikachu right here.
And today's shout out goes to, drumroll please, Presley. Shout out to you. Thank you for all the love and support. If you guys want to be the next shout out, all you have to do is comment Fur Mouse Squad. But till next time, bye guys, we love you. Make sure to go subscribe to the Fur and Mouse Short YouTube account, link in the description.
Check out our shop, furandmouseshop.com. Link in the description. Love you. Bye.